Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you about firewall. In this video, we mainly focus on introduction of firewall and types of firewall. First, what is firewall? A firewall is a network security device that monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic and permits or blocks data packets based on a set of security rules. Firewall typically establishes a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external network. Before learn about firewall types, we need to understand two terms. One is Western host and second is proxy. So, what is Western host? It is like kind of reception area in office premise. Every outsider first need to register themselves at reception and then only entry inside office area is permitted. Similarly, on the internet, a Western host is the only host computer that a company allows to be addressed directly from the public network and that is designed to protect the rest of its network from exposure. Bastion hosts are heavily forfeited against attack, that is, no critical application or data are hosted in Bastion host. Common characteristics of Bastion host are its operating system is hardened in the sense that only essential services are installed on it. System should have all the unnecessary services disabled, unneeded ports closed, unused applications removed, unnecessary administrative tools removed. That is, vulnerabilities to be removed to the extent possible. Next is, what is proxy? A proxy is a middleman. Proxy stands between internal and external network. Proxy will not allow direct communication between two networks. A proxy-based firewall that works at lower layer, that is session layer, is referred as circuit level proxy. A proxy-based firewall that works at higher layer, that is application layer, is called as an application level proxy. This diagram shows the working of proxy. Here we have three computers with different IP address. If computer A wants to connect to the outside world, then it needs to go through proxy server. So they will request to proxy server to connect to the outside world. Outside world will think that computer A IP address is 121.0.1.0.1.0.1, but that is actually proxy server. So IP address of computer A will not be available to outside world. Types of firewall. There are four types of firewall: packet filtering, stateful inspection, circuit level, application level. First type is packet filtering firewall. This firewall type works on the principle that allow and deny action is done as per IP address and port number of source and destination of packets. This firewall works at network layer of OSI. Second type of firewall is stateful inspection firewall. This firewall type inspects the communication between internal network and external network. It keeps track of destination of each packet that leaves the internal network and allows only that messages that is in response to the request from the internal network. This firewall type works at network layer of OSI. Third type of firewall is application level firewall. Application level firewall works on the concept of bastion host and proxy server. In application level firewall, there will be separate proxy for each application. This firewall works at application layer of OSI. This is the highest layer of OSI. And last type of firewall is circuit level firewall. Circuit level firewall also works on the concept of bastion host and proxy server. In circuit level firewall, there will be same proxy for all services. This firewall works at session layer of OSI. So out of these four type of firewall, which firewall is the most secure? And answer is, out of these four firewall, application level firewall has the most secure environment. Thank you.